Hello everyone, today I am going to solve Maharashtra set to June 2019, paper second, subject English. So the first question is, it is better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all. Who composed these lines? Options are A. Alfred Tennyson, B. Robert Browning, C. Thomas Hardy, D. George Eliot. These lines are composed by Alfred Tennyson. So answer is A. Alfred Tennyson. Question number 2. The poem The Land was written by options are A. W. H. Auden, B. C. Dale Lewis, C. Stephen Spender, D. Victoria Sackville West. So the answer is Victoria Sackville West. D. Victoria Sackville West. The poem Land, which is written by Victoria Sackville West. Question number 3. What is the name of the king in Shakespeare's play Henry IV Part First? Options are A. Richards, B. Douglas, C. Bolingbroke, D. Edward. So answer is C. Bolingbroke. Question number 4. What is common among the following? First, if I die today. Second, atom and the serpent. Third, the drunk tantra. 4, the awaking. Options are all are first travelogues, B allegories, C satire, D campus novel. So all the options are campus novels. Example of campus novels. So answer is D campus novels. Number 5. Nayanthara Sehgal won Sahitya Academy Award for the novel A. Rich Like Us, B. The Day in Shadow, Plans for Departure, This Time of Morning. So answer is The Rich Like Us. The Nayanthara Sehgal won Sahitya Academy Award for the novel Rich Like Us. Question number 6. English as a medium of instructions was introduced in India by A. Character Act 1793, B. Christian Missionary in 1542, C. Macaulay Minute on Education 1835, D. East India Company Act 1813. So answer is Macaulay's Minute on Education 1835. Huh? So English as a medium of instruction was introduced in India by Macaulay Minute on Education 1835. Question number 7. The earliest form of English words brought to Great Britain by options are Anglo-Saxon settlers, B. Nordic tribes, C. French invaders, D. Dutch immigrants. So answer is Anglo-Saxon settlers. Question number 8. Which is not a term used by Arnold in Culture and Anarchy? Options are A. Barbarians, B. Populace, C. Hellenist, D. Philistines. So answer is C. Hellenist. Question number 9. Coleridge's statement regarding poetry ability that dissolve, diffuses, depicts in order to recreate relate to A. Fancy, B. Reason, C. Secondary imagination, D. Primary imagination. So answer is primary imagination. Answer is D. Primary imagination. Question number 10. What is supposed to be conceit in metaphysical poetry? Options are A. The most heterogeneous idea yoked by violence together. B. Two similar ideas put forcibly together. C. Two dissimilar ideas started separately. D. Two similar ideas stated together. So answer is A. The most heterogeneous idea yoked by violence together. Question number 11. Zuri and Friday are character in options are A. Robinson Crusoe, B. Moll Flanders, C. Tom Jones, D. Pride and Prejudice. So Zuri and Friday are character in Robinson Crusoe. Question number 12. Who is not an 18th century Gothic novelist? A. Horace Walpole, B. Lawrence Sterne, C. Anne Radcliffe, D. William Godwin. So answer is Lawrence Sterne. He is not from Gothic novelist. Question number 13. Three sorts of serpents to resemble thee. The dangerous killing cockatrice, the enhancing stern with dot to entice, the weeping crocodile, these white pernicious thee. 3. These lines are written by A. Michael Drayton, B. Edmund Spenser, C. William Shakespeare, D. Sir Philip Sidney. So answer is A. Michael Drayton. Question number 14. Chaucer book, The Duchess, Book of Duchess, is an elegy for A. Duchess of Lancaster, B. Duchess of Yorkshire, C. Duchess of Leicester, D. Duchess of Wales. So answer is A. Duchess of Lancaster. Question number 15. Which of the following was not a pen name of Walter Scott? A. Lawrence Templeton, B. George Orwell, C. Jebediah Selibotham, D. Captain Clutterbuck. So answer is George Orwell. Question number 16. Which material device has been used by the poet in the following lines? Full many a flower is born to blush unseen, and the west is sweetness on the desert air. Options are A. Iambic tetrameter, B. Iambic pentameter, C. Iambic hexameter, D. Iambic tetrameter. So answer is Iambic pentameter. Question number 17. Who among the following is not associated with the theatre of absurd? Options are A. Samuel Beckett, B. John Obscurn, C. John Ford, D. Tom Stoppard. So answer is John Ford.